Good night, my name is Juan Jose Guerrero and I am going to talk about a pamphlet that is about a energy saving or energy conservation company. The topic was about an energy saving product, but I chose a company. So the company is called DC Appliances, which in this case DC stands for direct current. Direct current is in basic terms a movement of electric charge in which this current flows in a constant way, and in second place the current only flows in one direction. So as you can see in here, I think the mouse works. Most products have AC. So AC stands for alternating current, which means like that the directionality or the direction of the flow of the current is reversed, and it travels in cycles, so it can power the whole device. And this is the most common type of current in electric devices. So as we can see here, if you see here, DC appliances offer a much more I don't know how to say it, like much more cheaper way to consume electric products and use electricity. For example, a ceiling fan. In the DC appliances or with the DC type of electricity, the ceiling fan uses 30 watts in the wattage consumption. Of course, here's the tip. And the normal one uses 70 watts. And this is a really big difference. This is a really big gap. So we can see that the DC type of current is a much more cheaper one than the AC. So for example, here are some of the services they offer, and some of the, I don't know how to say it, like machines or products. You can determine that. But in here we can see the savings, the yearly savings in power bills. So for example, we'll see the blue one is the regular AC appliances or AC products. The orange one or red one is the efficient AC appliances, which is a specific product that has AC type of current but has a saving mode or has a much modern way of using the energy. And in the green one we have the DC appliances products, the products that use this DC type of current. And you can see the saving from the green through the blue, and that's basically what the DC offers. And you don't have to be a magician to know that this is a much cheaper offer and a much cheaper option than the other ones. So yeah, that was all about the pamphlet. And basically what they're offering is to go through to that energy, like to start using that specific process in your home, in your household products and stuff, so you can save energy and at the same time you can help the planet at least a little bit in energy consumption. So thanks and have a good night.